Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you guys are new. Y'all know the drill. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. It's free and we all love free things. For today's video, we are actually going to be doing something a little bit different. I have been saying that in every single video. You know what? There's someone staring at me. We're just going to drive away. Your boy's getting a spray tan. I am nervous. I am hopefully gonna go for the darkest one because do you see how pale I am right now? Like, I am literally a ghost right now. Like, so I thought it'd be sfun to document this whole experience. Is it a good idea? I don't know. We're gonna see. Hopefully I don't turn orange. Hopefully it's not all splotchy. But yeah, I am so nervous right now. So guys, without further ado, let's jump in right into this video.
Shit over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
Okay guys, what is up? I don't know how much I can show on YouTube, so we're just gonna cover everything right now. But anyways, just got out of the shower, exfoliated my whole body right now, so now we're literally feeling like a little baby dolphin right now. But anyways, gonna go put on some loose clothing. Alright guys, sorry about the lighting, but this is currently our OOTD before, like, post cone spray tan or whatever. But yeah, just currently wearing these loose gray joggers right here. Got a sweatshirt on. It's actually raining outside, so yeah, gotta cover everything up, and then some sandals just for easiness, you know. So yeah guys, I'm like so nervous right now.
No chance. I'm feeling awkward. You know what? I'm gonna move you guys spots because honestly, this sun is just not doing us justice. Oh shoot, I just about like broke this camera. Hi guys. So we got our kombucha right here, like so, you know. Because we're trying to be healthy. Honestly, I freaking love kombucha. Not a big fan of the smell, but like it's alright, you know. It low-key just smells like apple cider vinegar, which isn't really like the best smell, but it tastes good, so.
Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Break down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder.
Alright guys, so I just made it over to the place. We just made it to Golden Tan, and I'm a little nervous right now. We're a little nervous because I really do not want splotchiness. Orange I can deal with. Splotchiness, not a big fan of. I was reading online that you should put like lotion and stuff like on like your fingertips, like on your nails and stuff, you know, toes, like elbows, knees, and then like your heels and stuff. So I just have my like little lotion right here. It's a Bath & Body Works stress relief one. Let me show you, you know, like the beauty guru I am right now. See, like so. Yeah guys, I am a little nervous right now. Is there anyone staring at me? No? Okay. It is currently 5:51 right now. I'm so freaking nervous. I gotta like unscrew you guys from this.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me. I'm not really asking. Will you do it?
On that, and that goes above your hairline, you'll get a line on your forehead.
Okay.
Where it stops. And then this goes on hands and feet, and then you'll be in facing this way, so face the nozzle, so you click this green button and it'll be lit up. And then all the steps are right there.
Okay, thank you. Yo, guys, like I'm so freaking scared right now. This just looks intimidating. Oh wow, this thing is like so sticky. Okay, so I need to put this on right here. So this goes on my hands and feet. That's awesome, perfect. I don't need to use my little stress relief one. But basically, these are like all the poses that you need to do right here. So yeah. Oh, I need to take off my ankle bracelet right here. I need to take that off. It's so freaking quiet in here. Like, okay, so basically, I like low-key need to like strip down right now. I am gonna keep like my underwear on, so like you guys can see like the difference like on the side, you know. So I'll do that for you guys, but honestly, like, it's so freaking quiet.
versus Bob. Your 4-pass session is about to begin. Please stand in position 1, facing the...
Oh, okay.
And then next time you come in, you'll get a free spray tan.
Oh, okay. Thank you. No, that's totally fine. Thank you. Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys heard that, but basically she said, oops, I sent you in the wrong one. She put the clear like solution or whatever instead of like the instant bronze, you know? So basically I'm still like gonna be getting dark and stuff, you know, but it's not gonna be as instant. She says that it should develop within like the next 4 hours or so, you know? So we're gonna have to wait because right now I look the exact same. Oh my gosh, like, oh my gosh, I need to turn on the AC right now because I do not want to sweat. We need to be like super cold, and I'm actually gonna take my sandals off too because I do not want like those sandal marks. So we're just gonna be completely bare right now. But she says within the next 4 hours I should start seeing some color. So yeah, I'm low-key freaking nervous. But I guess we shall see. So I will update you guys in the next 4 hours or so. Wish me luck. Alright guys, it is the next day. I decided to kind of just leave it overnight for it to like develop and such. And boy, I'm dark. Like, I'm darker in person for sure. The camera's making me look just a little bit lighter. But wow. It developed. My hands are literally like black. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, my hands are literally the darkest thing on my body. The only complaint that I do have though right now is that like my inner like forearm or whatever like didn't really get tan. Like, there's just like a little like coat and like there's a little bit of splotchiness right there. Like, you guys can like barely tell that on camera. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like a little bit of splotchiness right there, which I'm kind of bummed out about because that's the thing that I did want to avoid. And then also like on my leg, like it did get tan, but like not really like right here. Didn't really get tan. My feet got tanned, but here, hold up. Okay, so I don't think like it looks white on camera. It is kind of tan, but look, I'll show you guys. Like, see, there's the tan line right there. Like, when you just have it covered like this, it looks like nothing was done. But when you lift it up, you can definitely tell. So that's also a bummer how my legs really didn't get tan because I also really wanted that. But my face, neck, everything is super duper tan. Oh my gosh. So I think I'm gonna go in later this week and like towards the end of the week and just get another tan, like another spray to hopefully fix all of this because this wasn't its best, I don't think. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go get everything. I'm gonna go rinse off now and I will update you guys and show you guys what the final product looks like. Alright guys, I just got out of the shower, just got everything rinsed off and barely anything came off. Like, my tub did not turn orange or anything. Like, everything was stuck on. And my hand is darker than my face. When I put that lotion on that was supposed to prevent that, everything looks pretty just like cut off. Like, it doesn't look even, you know, which is like my biggest concern. So I am gonna go in next week. Like I said, I'm gonna go get another one. Hopefully it evens out, but I think after that, because she did give me like a free voucher or whatever since she messed up, I am actually gonna go and have someone actually spray me, rather than a machine. I think that's best, just to make sure everything gets even, because that's mainly like my main concern right now, is that it's not really even. So that's the only note pretty much that I have. Everything else looks great,
It's just not the most even, like by the hands and stuff. So that's my only concern. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video about me getting a spray tan. It was a little bit different. Did not go the way that I planned or anticipated it for it to go, you know. It was kind of a fail, I would say. Yeah.